React login form with Firebase. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open command prompt. Type npx create React app, React Firebase login, and press enter. If prompted, press Y to continue. Change into the project directory by typing cd React Firebase login. Next, install Firebase by typing npm install Firebase. Open your browser and go to console.firebase.google.com. Click Create a Project, then enter a project name. Select your Google account and continue. Once the project is created, click this web icon to register your web app. Enter a name for the app and click Register App. After that, copy the Firebase SDK config provided. Go to the Authentication section, click Get Started, navigate to the Sign In Method tab, enable the email and password option, and click Save. In your file explorer, create a folder, then inside it create 3 files named login.js, register.js, and app.js. Open your browser and visit firebase.google.com/docs/auth/web/start. Copy the Firebase initialization script from the page. Right-click on login.js, choose Edit with Notepad, and paste the copied script. Click File, then Save. Repeat the same process for the register.js and app.js files. Return to command prompt and type npm start.